Hello, I'm Russell Beall.
And I'm Beall Thies. We are the founding partners of Beall Thies LLC, located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
15 years ago, Billy and I founded Beall Thies with a focus on being a relationship law firm.
Our mission remains simple: do good, honest work for good, honest people. Whether it's supporting the community through our own nonprofit organization or sponsoring other charitable events, we strive to be good community partners. It was actually through our sponsorship of a local charity event that we met our client in this particular case. A few days after the event, she contacted us with her story.
She and her husband were exiting a local grocery store at the same time an employee was attempting to bring shopping carts in from the parking lot. The wheels of the cart caught the worn, curled edges of a rubber mat and pulled it upward, tripping our client, causing her to fall to the ground. Billy and I immediately secured the surveillance of this incident and later learned this was not the first time this mat had rolled up under the wheels of a shopping cart.
Our client's injuries were significant. In the course of the following year, she underwent 2 surgeries on her hand and a 3-level fusion of the cervical spine. However, the biggest problem in the case was that our client had been involved in 4 motor vehicle collisions within the past 5 years. The most recent resulted in medically documented damage to her cervical spine.
Our client was a professional photographer, and even though she'd had some prior injuries, she'd gotten back to a point that she was living a happy and productive life. But as a result of this fall, every day became misery and pain. Her quality of life took a big downturn. Holding a camera or doing a professional photo shoot was out of the question. Her loss of income caused our client to lose her home, and she became 100% dependent upon the goodwill of others. Knowing that causation was our biggest hurdle, Billy and I contacted DK Global to assist our clients' physicians in creating a demonstrative animation that shows the actual mechanism of injury and the surgical procedures necessary to correct that damage. When the animation was complete, we simply mailed the DVD to defense as supplementation to discovery and never said another word. If a picture speaks 1,000 words, we knew this animation would speak even louder.
Immediately after disclosing this powerful piece of evidence to the defendants, they responded with an unsolicited settlement offer. A few weeks later, we agreed on a settlement number of $750,000. This recovery allowed our client to restart her life. She was able to purchase a home and become self-sufficient once again.
This was a significant recovery in a very problematic causation case. However, DK Global provided Beall Thies with the tools we needed to ensure success for our client.